I'm Ashley. Today we're going to be figuring out 47 times 25 using partial products. Partial means parts. The product is the answer. So we're going to find all the parts and we're going to use them to find the product, the answer. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 40 and 7. Because 40 plus 7 is 47. And then we're going to take 20 and 5, because 20 plus 5 is 25. So the first thing we're going to do is 40 times 20. 40 times 20, this is step 1, 40 times 20, is equal to 800. So that's our first part. Next we're going to do 40 times 5. 40 times 5 is equal to 5 times 4 is 20, and we add 0. So that is 200. Perfect. Now we have our second part. Now we're going to do 7 times 20. 20 times 7. Okay? And 20 times 7 is equal to 7 times 2 is 14, and add 0. So we have 140. Right. Now the last thing we're going to do is 7 and 5. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. All right. So now we're going to add all the parts and find the product, the answer. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. Then 4 plus 3 is 7. Good. And then 8 plus 2 plus 1. 8 plus 2 is 10, and add 1. That's 11. So right now we have our answer of 1,175. Now to check that, we are going to do 47 times 25. You can do this anytime with checking the answer. So let's see if we get this. Here we go. We're going to make just a little line so nothing disturbs. We're going to have 47 multiplied times 25. Here we go. We'll put some lines. Okay. Here we go. 7 times 5 is 35. And we can see here, 7 times 5, 35. We're going to cross out the 5, put the 5 right here. Perfect. Now we're going to do 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. And we're going to have 23 right here. So 47 times 5 is 235. Perfect, 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 perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take, let's see, 47 times 2. So 7 times 2, 7 times 2 is 14. We're going to have our 14 right here. Right? Now we're going to cross out the 4 and put the 4 here. So the reason why we're not putting the 4 here is because we wouldn't get the same answer we would if we put it here. So we're just going to add a little 0 so we can add this, because without anything it would be confusing. So now we're going to do 4 times 2 is 8, and then 8 plus 1 is 9. Aha! Now we get 94. Now we're going to add all of this up. So we have 5 and 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. Perfect. And then 4 plus 3 is 7. 7. Good. And then we're going to do 9 plus 2, which is 11. So now we see both of these are the same, and that's how you do partial products. Ashley out.